Hello, my name is Dr. George Owusu, Senior Lecturer, University of Ghana. Welcome to our course Web Development with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Today, we shall go through the concept of HTML. What is HTML? The course outline for this particular lecture. First, we shall consider the meaning of HTML. Then we shall move to HTML tags. Then we also consider HTML elements, history of HTML, and finally we shall summarize our lecture with HTML structure. This is Wikipedia page for Africa. You can see that we have images, we have text, we have links, we have blue text, then we have other icons on this particular image. What is behind this image is HTML code like this. So we have various parts of this HTML code. This is the HTML, we have it over here. And then we have the script, the JavaScript component, and then we have the CSS component also here, and then we have the body, what you saw on the screen will come under the body here. So in this particular code, we also have we can get the CSS section right here. So inline style sheet. Then within the body too, you can have the background color. Then the HTML and the body, we can have specific styles, padding and margin for that particular page. These are some of the JavaScript functions. Here you have the blur function. If you click on the button, this function will be executed. The click one will be executed. But if you move your mouse over, then you have this function being executed on that particular page, the Wikipedia page. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Deals with internet, text, and then the language is quite markup. And you have other languages such as Python, R, C++, but this is a simple language that we use to display HTML tags on a website. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It consists of series of elements. So we have paragraph element, you have body element, you have head element, so several elements are there. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. So for instance, if I want paragraph within Africa Wikipedia page, I have to tell the browser how to display it with a paragraph tag. HTML tags label pieces of a document. So we have heading tag, paragraph tag, we have table, and then other tags are also there. Browsers do not display the HTML tags, they render it. So what we are trying to say is within the HTML, you can have a paragraph like this. Then you say hello world, and then we close our paragraph. So this is all these is paragraph element, and then this one is a tag. This is a tag. Okay, so the browser, whenever the browser sees this particular tag, it will render it as a paragraph. So I can have those of us who are familiar with a Word document, you can write an essay. So we have a line break for that particular essay. Then if you want a paragraph with double lines, in some cases in a Word document, you can use double line to represent a paragraph. So here will be paragraph, and then you close it, the paragraph here. Okay. So you have a paragraph, right? So the paragraph. So the browser will render this one as this double space that we see here. So this is a simple HTML elements and tags. Start with doc type HTML, which means we are going to use HTML5. That's why it's starting with this. So apart from this particular tag, all other tags here has an open start tag, head, and then end tag. So open tag and that of the close tag. Within the head element, we have the title element. So this title element, you have the open tag and that of the close tag. So it's the hello word over here. And then we come to the body. So you have open and you have the close one. So hello world, my first HTML page will appear on the browser. In most cases, that's the visible part of the page. So we have open here, and then we close it here. Okay. So these are the definitions of the various elements and types of tags. So the HTML element is the root element of HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document, including title. You have a script tool, you can put it there. The title element specifies the title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. Then the H1 element defines a large head. The P element defines a paragraph. So as I've already said, the doc type element is about declaration that the document is HTML5. So HTML tags, how do they look? We can have a tag name like this, then the content will go here, then you close the tag. Okay, so the tag, so I can have make this one body, and then I can also have body here. So this one will be this. So we have tag. So HTML tags normally come in pairs, like we have the P, open, and that will the close. The first tag in the pair is the start tag, the second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag, but with a forward slash inserted before the tag name. So you can have a typical example, this one. So when we render the ATM code in the browser, this is the way that it will appear. You can see that I have all the components of the HTML, the tags over here, the elements, the tags over here. You can see that when we display in the web browser, you see this. Okay, it's here. Then you can also see my first paragraph also here. And then because the P tag is here, we have double lines here. Because H1 heading 1 is here, this one is larger than this. That's how everything works. History of HTML. In 1991, Tim Berners-Lee came with HTML 1.0. He was working in a lab and he wanted computers to communicate with one another. He came out with HTML language to actually display the content about the communication between the computers. By 1995, World Wide Web Consortium W3C came with HTML 2.0. By 1997, HTML 3.2 also came about. W3C supervised that. By 1999, we had HTML4, and then that one too, we have W3C and ISO standardizing and supervising it. By 2000, we wanted a straight HTML document in such a way that when you write P like this, you must always close it. So we came with this XHTML. It follows XML structure. That one to W3C and ISO supervising it. But by 2014, the latest one, HTML5, came, and before that, it was difficult for us to insert videos into a web page. But with the HTML5, we can easily insert videos into the web page. And that one, we have the W3C and also Web Hypertext Application Technology Working Group supervising it. So, in summary, for this particular lesson, this is a typical HTML page. We have the open text here, and we have the head. See the head over here. Then the body. In the body, we have various heading and paragraphs. The body. Yeah. So, if you want to write a very good HTML code, you should have to follow these principles. You open a tag and then you close it. You open a tag, and then remember that the visible part of the code in the browser is found in the body section. Okay, so this is the summary for this particular lesson. God bless you. Know that Jesus Christ is Lord. Thank you.